Hey YouTube, today I'll show you how to make a V-neck top with just 2 rectangles. To make this work, the fabric should have no right or wrong side. It should also be lightweight and have a non-directional print. So here's how to draft the back piece. I use a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance, so add that before you cut your fabric out. And we will start by sewing one side of the top together. So here's the side that is already done, and I'm going to do the other side. So we take the front panel and we twist it twice. And then we bring the short ends back up to the shoulders and flip it to the back and start pinning from the sleeves towards your neckline. Just sew over there. So this part has been done, the shoulders have been done, and I'll skip the sleeve, the armhole, and I will sew from that point down to the bottom. After that is done, double fold and hem the armhole, neckline, and all the other exposed areas. So don't worry too much about the twist. You can slowly go, maybe in 2 rounds you can do it. So to wear this, there'll be 2 corners. So you fold that inside the shirt. So you can adjust to V-neck with a pin, and you can wear it, tuck into your pants or with a rubber band around it like that. So this is quite easy to make, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.